Rosemary, salmon with steamed veggie and lemongrass tea. Quarter of cabbage, a stem of broccoli, zucchini. Make sure you wash your veggie. Ta-da! Slice, and we're gonna go ahead and put in the steamer for 6 to 8 minutes. 2 pounds of salmon, fresh rosemary, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 crushed with skin on, and 2 mints. 1 tablespoon of mushroom seasoning, spread it out. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar. A sprinkle of black pepper. Add minced garlic. Now you go ahead and massage it, give it a little love. Make sure you spread it evenly, but not on the skin side. Let it sit for 10 minutes. On a medium heat, 1/2 teaspoon of coconut oil. Add your garlic. Place the salmon with skin down. You hear the sizzling? We're gonna add our rosemary, and we're gonna go ahead and cook it with the lid on for 6 to 8 minutes. Do you see how it's orange now? When we flip it, it's gonna be pink. See? Now it's pink. Now you're gonna go ahead, oh, it smells so good. Now you're gonna go ahead and flip it and let it cook uncovered for 6 minutes. Ta-da, all done. Rosemary salmon with jasmine rice, steamed veggie, and lemongrass tea. Fresh ingredients, simple seasoning. Make sure you like and subscribe.